Yesterday afternoon, my channel was hacked.
I'm like, oh, now I realize what happened. I just got hacked.
Minus tech tips, deleted. Tech linked, toasted. Tech quickie, gone.
Here's the story. I'm finally back, but my Google account was gone, my YouTube was gone, my Gmail was gone, my watch was infected. They got everything. I got hacked hard.
So yes, my channel was hacked.
YouTubers are getting hacked. Hackers are taking over their channels, getting full control to add and delete videos, start live streams, and ultimately delete their channel.
That's right, my YouTube channel was hacked. And what if I told you that even if you had 480,000 different passwords, you had everything completely secure, 5-factor authentication? None of it matters, and you could potentially be at risk to have the same thing that happened to me happen to you. And
yesterday I got hacked.
My Gmail account and my YouTube channel were hacked.
My YouTube channel was deleted.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I don't even know how to start this video, honestly, because it's a crazy feeling, right? And I guess you already know what happened to the channel. The channel got hacked. By the way, if you're seeing this video, it means that we're back and YouTube managed to recover the channel from the hackers. So thanks to YouTube support. I really was surprised how dedicated are these people to fix the issue with the hackers. And they do this with every single channel. I'm not saying this was only me, but I'm really happy and I love this company. Also, one more important thing is that the rest of this video is recorded on January 7 if you look at the bottom of the screen. And recording this video was in the time that I was in the process of recovering the account and I wasn't, and the account was not recovered yet. So today that I'm adding this voiceover to this video, it's 11 January. I knew that I will eventually get the account back. That's why I started recording back in January 7 and I waited for today, that the day my account is back, and probably will post this video tomorrow, 12th January. I don't know yet. I will show you some crazy stuff in this video and basically how to avoid being hacked or getting hacked and how to increase the security of your online identity, which I realized that it's as important as much as your offline security. Okay. Yeah, it's 2026 now. Your online security is crazy important and you need to be extra careful with that. First off, for those who don't know, it was 30 December that I've noticed that I've logged out of my YouTube studio on my phone. I just opened YouTube studio and I saw that I logged off, and I tried to log in again, and it kept saying that your password has changed less than an hour ago. And then I was like, what the hell, bro? I never changed my password like less than an hour ago. And then I went to my PC and I saw that I'm also logged out in my PC. So I was a bit worried about what happened. And then I tried to go to my Gmail and I saw that, oh my God, I cannot log into my Gmail as well. And then I realized that I am basically hacked. Luckily, I wasn't have like important stuff linked to this Gmail other than my YouTube channel. So I was fine in that area. I wasn't like having so many things going on in my head about my other accounts. And this Gmail, I was only having my YouTube account. So it was a kind of a relief. And then I started researching about what to do. Like I gave you the announcement that we are hacked. Somebody was running a live stream in the channel and I said how to report it, and we took them down in a couple of minutes, right? We took them down in about 4 or 5 minutes. That was impressive. That was a crazy hard work that we took this stream down on my channel. And since then, I have been going back and forth with YouTube support to see what's going on, what stage we are in the recovery phase. And they keep asking questions every day, like some detailed questions about the account, and I keep replying them. I don't know how long it will take to be restored. I don't know these hackers, how they bypassed my 2-factor authentication. And that's crazy to me, how far the hackers went in this. Now, what is crazy about this is that if you search this one right now, I don't know who this Michael Sailor guy is, but if you search this and go to live, you'll see a lot of channels are, by the time that I'm recording this video, a lot of channels are actually being scammed right now. So a lot of channels, if I open this channel right now, you see this this is the exact live stream that they put on my channel. Okay, if I go to this channel, you'll see this has nothing to do. This is a baking stuff. Like, they teach how to fucking bake a cake or something. But if you go to live stream, you'll
sending
see,
0.1 Bitcoin and watch
happening right here. Bitcoin sheds a scandal, regret, some scam bullshit going on in the live stream. So you can obviously tell that somebody has logged into this channel and they are live streaming scam. And this is not the only channel. Look, Zebra Learnings. If I go to same live streams going on inside another channel, which has nothing to do with any type of trading stuff. See, this is the channel and the live stream going on
folks,
inside that channel.
to
That's
take part
crazy stuff. And YouTube really needs to wake up to this. They need to, I don't know, maybe some upgrade their security things that's been going on. Security stuff. Another one, look. I'm opening this link, right? Oh shit, my internet again. It's gone. Oh fuck. Anyways, if I scroll, you'll see a lot of these channels that the same live stream is going on in them. My connection is, again. Oh god. Come on. Yeah. Again, you see? Same live stream. Fucking hell. Okay. My connection is not that good right now. My purpose for recording this video is that give you a heads up about what's going on. And this is not something new. This has been going on for several years. And you see right now they're getting hacked. If I search my YouTube channel got hacked and deleted, you will see how many big YouTubers have the same experience. See, this guy, this big guy, you know, they have millions of subscribers. This guy, see, they got hacked the same way that I got hacked. It's the same method, and I will explain you how basically they do this. See how many people, and I've watched every single one of them. Okay, you see this little red bar here shows that I have watched every single one of them. And some of them are like having millions of subscribers, and basically their life is dependent on this channel. These two guys, there are a couple that they make videos, and they were losing their minds in the process.
All my fault at this moment. I'm trying to be calm, but inside I'm dying inside, and it's just like I really just lost everything for us. We're trying to stay positive, but at the end of the day, we're still panicking. Yep. At this moment, I get a call on the other line. I answer the phone call, and somebody says, Ripple is live on your account. When I heard that, I broke down, I started crying, and you f***ed up. You did this to us. Our account is done all because of you. You never did that. You were still supporting me.
I think
you were still there,
we were in this together. Don't cry. Babe, we were in this together. Like, we need...
And trust me, I've watched every single one of them. They are getting hacked with one method, and I will explain how to avoid that by the end of this video. Okay? Again, this guy, this is a car guy, but the stream going on in this channel is about fucking Bitcoin. I bet they, if this stream started 9 minutes ago, it means that they got hacked 9 minutes ago. And this is crazy. Anyways, so how the hack happens. The hack is only happen if you let it. They cannot appear out of nowhere and then log into your channel. Okay, so I think you got the idea how it happens. You either click on a link from an unknown source. This way, for example, the links you receive in your emails, or somebody may send you some link and say, oh, this is TradingView paid version, downloaded. It's I don't know, paid whatever application, and once you download it, you run it in your computer or your phone even. They steal your session cookie. I don't know. It's session cookie, session token cookie. I don't know, something like that. I'm sorry, let me just search it. What is session token? Yes, it's session token, session ID or session token. I don't know what that is. Whenever you open the file, some kind of malware, I would say, they steal your session token. It means that if you log into something in your browser, they also have access to that particular area in your browser. And basically all your saved messages are compromised if they do that. So one form of getting scammed is clicking on link from unknown sources or downloading a file. In most cases, YouTubers downloaded a PDF file, which was their, the scammer basically appears as a sponsor, and they sent the PDF file as the contract detail and shit. And once they open the file, their PC gets hijacked and all their accounts get hacked. All the accounts that are logged in into that particular browser. Okay. A PDF file you may receive as contract detail, or they may send you a link to verify your YouTube channel, which this happens to me. Okay. They send me a link. You know, I usually ignore all the emails I receive because they are just bullshit. I receive a lot of emails, maybe 10 emails per day, asking people to do paid promotions and somehow doing ads for their product. And 90% of the time, their product is some crypto exchange, some crypto bullshit, okay? And I know that that's bullshit and that's not real. And I ignore them. But this time, they come up with a new idea and they said that we are an editing app company. Like they are a new editing app company, and a editing app like Adobe Premiere or something like that. They call it something else, but I searched it up and I saw that, oh, we actually have something called that. I don't know what was the editing app name. I don't even want to open my emails right now because I don't want to go near them. Anyway, yeah, they sent me, and I was curious what the hell is that and how this sponsorship thing works. And they sent me a link, which was a collab I don't know, whatever link. And they said that log into this to just verify your channel. And I'm not dumb. I know that the links may be scam, but I was just curious, right? And I didn't know that the Google page also can be faked. They basically mimicked the Google page, and it wasn't actual Google login page, and that was crazy. I know I messed up. And that's the only thing that caused me my account to be hijacked. So don't click any link from unknown sources. PDF files you may receive as contract details. This is for those who have YouTube channels or social platforms. This usually doesn't happen for normal people. And whenever you receive a link to a login link, like Google login link, check the domain right here, okay? If you see google.com in that login page, you're fine. If there's something else in that Google login page, then that's a phishing site. Okay, I didn't pay attention to this one. And yeah, that's the things that you need to really be careful. Also, do not use if you have crypto wallets, do not use Chrome extension crypto wallets, because they also may be compromised with stealing session token. Always use cold wallets, hardware wallets that you can get anywhere. Don't get anywhere. Get them from trustworthy sellers and website. And always keep your crypto in hardware wallets. Never have software wallets on your phone if you're keeping big amount of crypto, which I was fine in that case as well. I never have my crypto in my software wallets. I always use hardware wallets. And never expose your important emails in public. Never expose anything about yourself in public. If you run a social media or you have something important, do not expose your even email, simple email address. Some people may say, oh, this is only an email address. Nobody's going to do something to you with an email address. It can happen. So never share, like, as much as you can, do not share anything about yourself in social media. It doesn't matter if you're a small YouTuber, if you're a small content creator, if small whatever, normal, regular people, just be careful about your social identity. And yeah, this can happen. And one thing, you see, all these people got hacked the same way that I got hacked, right? And the process of getting the account back is so frustrating, okay? Because first I thought I am the only person who hacked this way. Then I realized, oh my God, YouTube is basically, they are just getting hacked. See, this guy has 123,000 subscribers. If you look at this guy's videos, you'll see that this guy has been active, like all this video, 8 years. This guy has been creating these videos for 8 years, and now all his efforts has gone with one simple mistake of clicking on a link or downloading a file or a phishing site or whatever. And I would also like you to know that two-factor authentication or 2FA is not that strong. They can bypass that easily with the phishing sites, and do not rely on this one as only. Try to get a physical YubiKey from Google or somewhere. This physical YubiKey is the same two-factor authentication, but it's physical. You put into your PC or phone, and then you can log in. If you have your password, your 2FA code, you cannot log in unless you put the YubiKey in your PC. This is another layer of security that I will consider having it. I know this video looks like a mess. I didn't really organize this video. I just decided to record this without any plan. So I usually plan my videos. I try to create PowerPoints if I want to teach something, or even if I want to do this kind of content. But yeah, right now I decided to record this for public because I saw that, oh my God, so many people are getting hacked. Interesting. Yeah. I don't know, should we take some trades? I mean, I got some trades yesterday and they were absolutely beautiful. Wait, let me remove the low percentages. Nice little QM. Let's see, 5-minute engulf. Oh my God, I think it already played out. It already played out, man. Look at this beauty. This beauty, man. Yeah, so many people. Oh, this is a doji break as well. So many people message me and they try to kind of support me emotionally, which I really, really appreciate you guys, all of you, for this great support. And I will never forget your kind messages. But yeah, I'm not that worried because my content is different. My content is just my everyday trading session, right? No matter if I have a YouTube channel or if I don't have a YouTube channel, I will have those sessions, and my YouTube channel is not my main income stream. That's why I'm not worried that much. But overall, yeah, there was 458 videos in this channel, on that channel, and I'm sure there was some valuable videos there for maybe beginners or those who just know me. And yeah, it would be nice if we can get back the account. I'm just going back and forth with Google and YouTube. You know, they ask questions, I keep replying them, and I don't know what conclusion we will be on, but I'm trying to reply their questions, and maybe they can recover the account. But in 90% of the people I saw that they are hacked, eventually they got their account back. Like, look at this. This is 5 years ago. Yeah, this is 5 years ago. This guy. Oh, this guy 5 years ago. It's not something new, right? It's been there from several years, and I wonder why YouTube hasn't fixed it. The newest one I found is this one. This guy.
Or I don't know, or that.
This guy took 14 days to get their account back. Some of the people got their account back in 3 days. And one thing that I was unlucky is that my account got hacked on 30 freaking December, right? And right in the middle of holidays and in the middle of, you know, everything becoming slow when it comes to support team and stuff. And it took like until 3 January, they were in the holidays and they were not replying. And then from 5th January, they started replying. They're asking questions about my account and they're trying to restore it. Yeah, that was another unlucky stuff. Wait, with my YouTube channel. Now, let me know in the comments. By the way, shout out to some of the students and some of the viewers that kept messaging. I got a lot of messages trying to help, trying to tell me what to do to get back the account. And I really appreciate you guys. I cannot reply you one by one, but I really appreciate the kindness. Yeah, thank you so much, man. And I don't know, right now, we can have a trading session right now if you want to, but let me see. Okay. This is an overlap in lower time frame, and this is a decision point. Obviously, the movement of the market toward this decision point is pretty well. If this candle was coming down, it would definitely react because we have gap down here as well. And this could be a very beautiful exhaustion candle. And this is the breakout area. Spike started from here. This is a spike right before we have a very respected range or resistance. The breakout happened here. This is the decision point. If the market comes to this zone, I may jump into trade. Oh shit, bad news. This is only 52%. Yeah. Anyway, let me know in the comments what should we do and what do you think about the situation. And subscribe if you want. Yeah, thank you for watching, man. I really don't see any good opportunity to take though. If I wanna have a session, probably I will start in an hour. Thank you for watching, man, and peace out.